Go back. Harder. Stop. Harder. Jaden, short corner. And they're working. Short corner, Jaden, short corner. Jaden, drop. There you go. Go, Chase. Let's go, hustle back. Good job. We're in man. Find a man. Find a man. There you go. Get back. Run with him, boys. Run with him. Watch your back, space out. Oh, Mateo, run the floor. Yeah, let's go. Hey, fight through it. Hey, mark a guy, boys, mark a guy. Match up, you guys. Let's go. Mark a guy. Don't make me throw. Mark a guy, Mateo, mark a guy. Stay with him, Jay. Good job, Jack. Let's go. Hands up. Hands up. There you go. On the floor. Go, Adam, attack. Good ball. Hey, Mark. Let's go. Keep your head up. It's all right. These faces. Sorry, the faces. We're down. Right here. Focus. Body language is everything. Right now, you guys are acting like a number. Did we not just come back and flush 2 minutes ago? Yeah, settle down. Number 2, did we not work on passing? Right now, I have 5 guys on work. Tossed it. Worse than that. My team don't get it. You guys will play football before I know that. You guys trust your ability to dribble? Then why the hell are we picking up our dribble and throwing 45-foot passes? There's no reason, okay? And why are we only looking at one side of the court as a point guard? Stand the floor, dude. I'm serious. Let's go. Lock in. And you stop making faces. If we make mistakes, we all hustle back. Okay? It's not one guy hustling. It's not 2 guys. 5 of us got to hustle. It takes 5 people to win this game, boys. So we got to let's go. All the way up. All the way up. Let's go, wide. Trust your abilities, bro. Carter, trust your abilities, Adam. Find the guy, Mateo. Hand it ball, Mateo. There you go, hands up. Turn around. Tough shot. Good. Get it back, Jaden. We're not trying after missing shots. Find the guy, Jaden. Corner. Hands up. Sorry. Turn around, high low. Nice, good job. Hey, come on. Hey, Cole, we're in net. Okay? Hey, EJ, we're in men. Marco. Okay, you okay? What happened? You fell on your hip hard? Right, lock in. Good. No foul either. Hey, you can't get mad if you miss that shot. That's a tough shot. That's a very tough shot, Jay. Very tough shot. Hey, don't be mad if you missed it. Be more mad that you decided to take it. Okay?
Hey, YSC, I made baskets 22. I made baskets.
Hey, 22. 22, who's our back guy here? EJ, you're back, EJ. Go.
High low, Cole, high post. Go, Jax. Good job, Ted. There it is, good ball movement. There we go.
Chase, fire! Nice, EJ! Good hustle!
Time out!
Right now, a lot of the stuff throwing balls at team or team, or throwing long passes, stuff like that.
Nice pass! Yeah, Jay!
Keep moving that ball. Come on, guys. YSC, is that a good screen? You got to lock it.
Mateo, go ahead and be ready. Go right over there. You don't need to dribble. Oh, EJ! That wasn't it at all.
Push the back, look at Mateo running. Oh, you gotta see that, E.
Stack Mateo!
Too late.
That works.
Hey, Jaden, do me a favor, stay engaged with the game, please.
Yeah, and Carter, look
Stay engaged with the game. No distracting. Come on, stay engaged with the game. What?
You're good, Jax.
Let's go. Stay engaged with the game. Well, I don't know what we're talking about over there. Match up! Turn around!
You run.
Let's go, rebound! him. Swing it. Match up, EJ, you get inbounder. Go get him. Half court. Number 10. Number 10, EJ.
Mateo, call on screen.
There you go, EJ. You gotta go rebound. There you go.
On you. Hey, let's go quick! 5, 4, 3, 2, you're inside! Oh,
Behind you, right? You're just shooting without having your head on the field, right? Look. You can't just free without knowing what's behind you. You have to know that you have to feel that pressure here when you're doing it. Yeah, we got water resist. Water resist, dude.
down here. Come on, EJ, go.
Water resist.
Oh no, we gotta get a tower.
Oh, they have a towel right there.
All right, right here.
Can we use that towel?
All right.
There.
Do everything.
Hey, back pedal on defense, back pedal. Turn their back. I turned their back to the ball.
Okay, there you go, 13. Okay, come up, 13.
There you go. Run with him, Adam.
Run, E.
Got help.
Reset.
Got help. Got help. One more. There you go. Stay. Good shot.
13. EJ, you're on that side. EJ,
That's a good look right there. Good swing, Jay.
Okay. There you go. All pressure on him.
Pressure.
Go.
There you go. Run the floor.
Run, man, slow it. Look left.
Rebound. Go, GJ, go. Let him go. Get back.
Good job, Terry. Head up. Get up. All right.
Go run, hustle.
Keep playing. swing. There you go. Look around. Nice. There you go. Good job. Stop Jaden. That was a good pass.
That's why I wanted to get the ball.
That was a good pass. Go hard. Nice. Okay, take your time. Ready? Good space. Good job. All right. Find the man. Come on, who you got? High low. High low. Jay, high low. You're top. Wing. DJ, high close. Mateo. Taylor. Help the room. Double team. Taylor. Help the room and double team. DJ. Double team. Clear. Oh, right there. Wide open. Good hustle, head up. No right. Rotate. Got help, sorry. Got help. Get on the toe. Your rebound. Nice. Take it out. 3 guys on you. You got 3 guys on you. 3. Get it back. Good pass, Mateo. Yeah, DJ. Good job. Good job. Oh, you were.
Are you fans, Daniela?
Whoa.
Come on. Table.
That's how we sub you. I'm going to get cheap.
Hey, what's your
Both. You're going to be short. All right. 3. There you go. Hey, Jay, the ball's already in. I know you're not trying to. DJ.
Yeah, DJ.
Get active and step up on defense. Okay, step up. 13, step up. Don't worry about the corner right now. There you go. Get there, Cole. Jay, drop. There you go. That's it. Let's go. Look, you got help. You're double teamed. Everywhere. Rotate. Left side. Adam, look it. We have 2 here. Dude. Scan the floor, mijo. Scan the floor, please. Okay, step up. Body, don't jump. Body. DJ, they're throwing, they're doubling you. Mark. Action. Mark.
DJ, I hit the face
Good job. Follow. Hey, Carter, just quick stop. Hey, EJ, step up more. Okay, there you go. EJ, every time. Okay. Don't worry about the corner. Just focus on the wing. Don't set your back. Cole, drop. Hey, Cole, drop. Get back. They need to overplay a little bit. Match up! Match up! DJ, step forward!
We're overloaded on one side. We need guys on the right. Okay, turn around. Carter, go get it. Carter, go get it. One of y'all.
Jaden, high post, high post. I need someone high post. Number 7. There you go.
High post. That side, Carter. Carter, wide open. Right back, perfect. Yep, work, yep.
She's down the left side.
Get that.
Good job, Dave.
Good job. 13, be aggressive.
Go, Adam extend, Adam extend. Adam extend.
Step up. Fire, EJ. Fire, EJ. Adam, fire. Good job. Good job, man. Hands up, hands up. Tail, I need you. Get over here. Look at Jaden. He needs to breathe it. Get up there. Get there. Hey, Carter, hey, hey. Don't foul. Tail, high post. Tail, high post.
Cole, you're the 4. You're the 4. You got the 1.
Tail, turn his face.
Oh, he's good. It's easy, guys.
There you go. Somebody got to attack. Cut, Tail. There you go, move it around. There you go. There you go, look at the post up.
Is he on what's name? Break?
Hey, when we're dribbling, we gotta have our head up. We have open teammates, so we're not seeing. Just like us.
They missed the left side so much. Carter and Jaden were standing there for a minute that last one, man. Damn. Oh.
DJ, I got you. Stay on the wing, I got you.
Let's go, Lou.
Hey, Cole, go low post. Go low post. Go low post.
Right there. Go in front.
Back. There you go. Nice shot, Cole. Nice shot, Cole. Nice. And 1. Yes.
DJ, you got a rebound.
Good job.
Come on.
Grab water if you need it. Grab water if you need it. Grab water if you need it.
DJ.
I just seen a gallon of water come out your mouth. Thanks for another heavy mouth.
Start again.
Come on, White. Let's go. Let's go. With the ball. On your connection. What? Go, White. Go, White. I need 5. Let's go. Oh, let's show me what I see.
Who's the 5?
Guys gotta pick it up here.
DJ, play these. Play smart.
Cross-court passes, turnovers, shot selection. Nope, we're not passing the ball to open guys either. Follow through, Mijo, follow through. Follow through.
No.
There you go. Beautiful. That's it right there. Every time, every time.
Jax, outside.
Nice, James.
Jax, step up. 13. Step up. There you go.
Trap him, Jack.
Jax, that's you. Drop, Jax.
Rebound.
We're gonna have to talk to him about that.
Swing the other way. Nice. Good pass. Oh, good take. Come on, help. Good job, Jack.
Good hustle, Jax.
Look at the high guys.
Come on, Jax.
Yep. Ball. Slide.
Good body, yeah. Back too. You can chase him down on that.
Hustle, EJ, hustle.
Go. Take it out, EJ.
Good, Aiden.
He did a good job drawing.
EJ, short corner. EJ, short corner.
Good hustle.
Aiden, go.
When the team see that, they're going to start shooting through. You know, that's where I'm going to have to be honest. If they see those kind of shots, that's when they start just jacking up whatever to do. And then like that's starting on the first too. The first is taking on 5 guys. David's right here, just waiting for his bread and butter. You know? David, wait for Jack. Wait for Jack. Move EJ to the wing. I'm going to put him in for Jack. Move EJ to the wing. Coach, I'm going to put him in for Jack. Yeah,
EJ, we gotta go quick free throws. But no, this is
Go. Yeah, go. Run over there.
Hustle.
Hey, let your teammates know. You guys gotta tell each other. Okay? Right now, they haven't played too much. They don't know your spots right now. Go.
Higher.
Active. That's reaching.
Hey, good work.
Right here. Time out.
I ain't never seen that happen. It went to the top.
So usually what I do, I'm going to my wrist and they can practice in the ball.
Yeah, over cross court, and then cross shot.
Get back in this game. We gotta play with urgency. Let's go. Lock in. Swing that ball, boys. Swing that ball. Let it fly. Swing that ball. Let it fly. Come on. The only good shots I've seen is you know, I mean, I think Carter had a wide open three, right? We're not getting out of the run. Yeah, that's what I'm saying. That's the good stuff. We're not getting, you know? Yeah. They didn't take a kick. Oh, yeah, they called it. That's me. Yeah. Go. Go that way. Okay, get back. Go. Go corner. Good shot. 22. 22, Jay. 22. Hey. Hey, you guys just still not paying attention to what I'm saying. So what you guys really do all just walking around like get up in 22. I'm talking to all of you guys. Your teammate Lollygag, call them out, tell them all of you. Lock in. There's a reason we have 13 points. We should be getting call you all out right now. That's all I want to say. Sir, very smart. Other than the fact that you are not paying attention. We can make up for it last week because we need to get some momentum going for game 2. I don't care about this one. Let's finish it with it. But let's build at least some momentum for game 2. Let's go. YSC on me, YSC on in and out. YSC. Let's go. Oh, so you guys on this court next? 22. Okay, cool. What am I talking about? We have like a 1-game break. Go. Yeah. Now, are you guys going to do this? Hey, turn and look. There you go. Now hustle back. We can't get on the job. One on four. Swing the ball. 1 on 4. Swing the ball and take it up. I'm not playing. Head up! Get there, Trevor! Cut. There you go. 22. There you go. 22. Hey, 16. Adam, guard a guy, not the inbounder. Oh, no. Bravo. Man, we're soft. Hey, we're playing soft, bro. That's not gonna work. That's not gonna work right there. Let's go, Trevor. There you go. Hey, YSC, I already told you guys, if you don't pick it up, we're gonna push us before next game. Play with urgency. Act like you want. Go, lock in. Tara, catch the ball with 2 hands. Quick and clean. Get it back, King. Get it back. 22, get up. 22, get up. Defense! Ranger! There you go. Let's go! Good, Kay. Good job, Kay. One more. There you go, block that. Follow. Good shot. Good shot. 22, stay up. 22.
22, Jay, same spot. Jay, 22.
Get
22.
up. The game is not over. Keep down, keep down, Hunter. Keep down. Wrap it up, wrap it up. Good job, boys. Good job. Good job.
Jay, come on. Go. Run. Run.
Run. DJ! Bring it in. Right here.
He plays at what?